कोविड-19 के इस तनावपूर्ण समय में जीवन को सुरक्षित, सुगम और प्रेमपूर्ण बना सकने के उद्देश्य से धर्मगुरुओं का संदेश हम आप तक पहुंचा रहे हैं। इस वीडियो श्रृंखला के माध्यम से हम स्वास्थ्य, समाज और प्रकृति की बेहतरी का संदेश प्रसारित करना चाहते हैं, जिसमें कोविड-19 के बाद की दुनिया पहले से अधिक मानवीय, स्वस्थ और प्रकृति के रंगों से भरपूर हो।
Greetings to all the viewers. Once again I am back with a new series with new points. What we are is a gift of God, and what we do is a gift to God from our side. We know that from June 1st, the unlock for 1, there are so many relaxations. And one thing is that opening of the temples, churches and mosques and gurudwaras. We are all children of God, and we always feel the Father's love, the Lord's, the God's, Ishwar's love in our life throughout the day, through people, through persons, through situations. As we have been given relaxation to visiting the temples from 8th June. Let's be careful that, as I have earlier mentioned about, that we need to keep distance, we need to care for our health. And God is everywhere, first of all. God is in the person whom you see. God is in the person whom you talk. God is in the person who is needy. God is in the person who is your neighbor. We are aware that these days the virus and the people who are affected by the virus are rapidly increasing day by day, and therefore we need to be careful. If you think that you have to go and visit, or you have to go to the temple, you have to go to the mosque or church or gurudwara, please visit, but take precautions. Keep a physical distance and keep yourself always perfect health, so that you are not affected, and at the same time your neighbor or your fellow person who is next to you is not affected. Last 60 days we have been noticing how our weather is, how we have seen the reduce of the pollution in our country, in the whole world. We could see the rivers flowing so clean, so pure. We could see the original beauty of the rivers. We could see the original beauty of the skies. It's because non-pollution. And we have been protecting it because of the lockdown last 60 days. And we have every responsibility to continue to keep this originality of the blue sky and the pure water and the pure rivers. Friends, you have been watching me for last 1 month through different series on various issues, on especially on this pandemic COVID-19. If you have any comments, please do write in the comment box, so that in the next series when I will come and prepared with the questions that you have, and I will answer them to you. Thank you.